Hello students, please subscribe my channel. It will be very helpful for all these competitive exam as well as board and 11th exams. Most common oxidation state shown by copper, silver, gold. In neutral state it is 0. We will discuss here with suitable example because in previous video I cannot explain suitable examples because of lack of time. Here actual configuration we have discussed, we will not discuss that. Copper 1 positive, copper 2 positive. This is called cuprous salt. This will form cuprous salt. Here silver shows +1 and +3 oxidation state. This is argenteous and argentic. Okay, so or silver 3 salt, here silver 1 salt, copper 1 salt, copper 2 salts, and gold will show copper 1 salt and gold RS 1 salt and auric 3 salt, 3 positive, RS 1 positive, auric 3 positive, or gold 1 positive, gold 3 positive. Oxidation state +1 +3, here +1 +3, here +1 +2. Here +2 oxidation state of silver is less stable. So cuprous salt, Cu1 positive example is CuCl and Cu2O. Copper 1 chloride, copper 1 oxide. Okay, this is called copper 1 oxide or simple copper oxide. Copper 1 oxide, or you can say cuprous oxide. And this is called cupric oxide. Copper 2 oxide or cupric oxide, cupric chloride or copper 2 chloride. Copper sulfate, as it is we are writing copper 2 sulfate. Copper 2 positive ions are shown by, I have given you example, copper sulfate, copper oxide and CuCl2. Here this is cuprous oxide and cuprous chloride. Here it is cupric chloride. We will use word cupric chloride, in which copper is in +2 oxidation state. K3CuCN4 +1 oxidation state. Here copper sulfate and CuNH3 2 positive. Here also copper 2 positive state. AgCl, AgNO3 and Ag2S copper 1 silver 1 oxidation state, 1 positive, and silver 2 positive oxidation state. In case of AgF2, silver difluoride or simple silver 2 fluoride will be okay. Okay, or silver difluoride, we can say this. Now KAgF4, if it is shown, so it means it is having 3 positive oxidation state. So this is written as potassium tetrafluoroargentate 3. Potassium tetrafluoroargentate 3. This is complex. Now +3 oxidation state with soft ligands such as CN, +1 oxidation state. So AuCN +1 oxidation state. AuCl3 gold 3 chloride or auric chloride. Okay, so here it is showing +3 oxidation state. +1 +3 in general cyanide, whether it is copper, silver or gold, it is in +1 oxidation state. Fluoride generally having higher oxidation state. It is